Yo, what's good guys, producer Mykah here, and today we are going to be making a very slow afro kind of beat. And I was scrolling through Instagram and I saw Victoni's post about a recent project is about to drop, and that beat was groovy but kind of slow. So I said, you know what, I'm gonna recreate these beats, but I'm gonna use a different melody. So without wasting time guys, let's go into our DAW so I show you the slowest afro beat you have ever had. Let's go. All right, so let's listen to what 77 sounds like, just the metronome. Yeah, very slow, but we can actually have a very groovy beat with this tempo. So I'm just gonna try to create the drums. Okay, so I'm just going to quickly just arrange the drums. It's kind of, it has this unique kind of bounce, man. P Prime is high, it's a fire producer, man. Okay, so I'm just gonna quickly do that. Yeah, so something like this. I'm just gonna, let's see how fast we can have the vibe. So yeah, so we have something like this. Yeah, so I think this is what what the vibe sounds like. So I'm just gonna use a swing of around, let's say 20%. Yeah, but I'm just gonna go in, just increase the velocity of each sound so it hits to my mixer. Come on there and just browse selected channel. Yeah, so we have this kind of vibe. What I'm gonna do, let's just rename this and call these drums. Yeah, so then I can just go and add in a very punchy kick. So we have a steady kick, so I'm just gonna fill here each 4 steps and just increase velocity so it hits. So have. Yeah, I think I like this shaker. So let me just drag it in. I'm just gonna bring it down a little bit. Yeah, so it has some groove, but I'm gonna come over here, just bring down the modulation, like take away some of the highs from it. Yeah, then I think I'm gonna add a drum fill. So let's see this. Yeah, I think I'll go with this. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna just add let me go over and add like a hi-hat. Yeah. Yeah, something like this. Yeah, okay. So I think I have like the drums sounding nice, sounding where I need it to be. So the next thing I'm gonna be adding is some nice chords. I think I'm just gonna be in the key of E flat. So to go to E flat, this is C sharp, D sharp, which is our E flat, which is 1, 1, 2, 3. So all I need to do is count backwards because I want to play on the key of C. So 1, 2, 3, and just play it over here. I hope I'm not too fast. So let's create our keys. And for the keys, I'm just gonna play let me just play my F major 7. Yeah, something like this. Then I go to my 2. Then I go to my 3. Don't mind my chords, man. Then I go back to the 2. So yeah, this is just the chord we are playing around with. Yeah. So I put that down. Let's see how. Okay, so I'm just gonna go to over to Splice and let's see what we can get from Splice. Some nice melodies to melodies. Yeah, I think this is gonna serve. So I'm just gonna stretch it, and let's just drag it, bring down the gain a little bit because so we have this. Yeah, so I think the chord sits well. Yeah, but I'm gonna find like a vocal sample. I know you want all of this. 700 cents, and I have it right there. So I have this. Yeah, I think I like that effect. So let's send it to our mixer and add this vocal sample preset. And this is what we have. I'm just gonna bring down the delay and the reverb a little bit. Nice. So I think I can bring in my bass now. So for the bass, I'm gonna be using Hive. Sorry about that. Yeah, so one of my subscribers, recommended Hive for some nice bass. So I went to go try Hive, and trust me, there are some nice bass on Hive, especially this dirty 808 boom. It's very, very heavy. So I just need to play some nice bass, right? Away and 4, then to the 2, yeah, then to 3 and 2. Yeah, so I think I'm gonna cut the beat at this point, but before then. Yeah, okay. So what I want to do is I want to add like a filter on these drums. So what I can do, I just want to add a filter. So I need a filter. Let me go over to my how do I do this now? So I want to bounce like the whole drums, and what can I do? Yeah, there's a way you can just bounce everything. So I have this as my drum here. So I'm just going to send it to my mixer, and I'm just going to give it an effect. And for the effect, I'm going to try out. So I think, yeah, I'm just going to go look for some filter over here, and let's see. Yeah, so I think I'm going to go with something like this. So this is going to like start the whole vibe. So we have like something like this. Yeah, then I think I'm just gonna chop it over here to stop here. You get the vibe, you're feeling it, right? So yeah, so then I can now, go into, let's say, our verse. You can call it a verse. So I'm just gonna shift all these drums over here. So start like this. Nice. This is a vibe. So I think I'm just gonna go over to Splice, and I think there's a bass I saw. Yeah, this bass. So let's see. So I'm just gonna stretch it to 4 bars so it sits. Nice. So let me just send this to my mixer, and I'm just gonna sidechain it with my kick. It's bass. So you can see that the bass is overshadowing the kick, but we're gonna fix that in a bit. Sidechain, come over here, and fruity limiter, bring this down. Yeah, nice. Nice. nice to have it. So these shakers, I'm sending it to my mixer. I'm just gonna add tighten it up using smack attack, and there's so I can have this. Hey, and somebody said it doesn't like the sound of IM pusher. So I just add IM pusher basically just to make the beat kind of a bit heavy. So and that's just like like a personal preference. So music is subjective. You can decide to like something, and I might not like it, and you can like something and I not like it. So it just based on personal preference. So I'm just gonna put in IM pusher, just to make the drums heavy. So I think the drums is heavier now. Yeah. Hey. Okay, so yeah, let's bring in the Vox. Yeah. So yeah, then let's see from the top. Let's listen from the top. So you can start with. So I think this is a very slow vibe, slow but groovy. Hey. This is a very quick tutorial. I hope it was fast enough, and I hope you got something from this, basically. So let's just listen from the top once more, and hope this is fire, guys. Let me know if this is the slowest Afrobeat you've ever heard, man. And I can't wait for the project to drop, man. Victoni is an amazing artist, so I can't actually wait for the project to drop. And big shout out to P Prime, an amazing producer. So if you're in the Patreon, you're gonna get access to this FLP, so you could play around with it. And if you gain something from this video, let me know in the comment section. And if you're here to subscribe, kindly hit the subscribe button so you definitely get notified when next I post. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.